My kids and I are really enjoying this cocktail arcade set. Some of the games are repetitive and slow, but all my absolute favorites are as advertised, and we are having a blast playing them. Pac-Man, Phoenix, Galaga and many more. Awesome video game console. My kids and husband have a blast playing on it. It is also definitely a showstopper when guests come over. This company customer service is amazing, which is so hard to find these days. The owner as well as the guy who delivered the game are both very helpful and go above and beyond to make sure you are happy. I highly recommend. The best quality game console. I am very impressed with the quality and service. I would definitely recommend buying this for anyone looking for a quality unit. Absolutely fantastic. I contacted the company to have trackballs added and 2 weeks later received a call letting me know their 2020 versions now have 26 inches screens. The only negative is the operating manual is severely lacking. Otherwise, we're having a blast playing old school games. This is an incredible machine. I would also like all of you to know that the company is fantastic, and follows up on every question. All this in a 5-year warranty. I have had the machine for a little over 2 weeks and could not be happier with my decision to buy this. I was looking for about 2 years for something like this, and finally I have found the machine for all retro gamers. So many games that I used to play as a kid. Great! If you have been looking and are afraid to pull the trigger, this will not disappoint. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.